आइए, this is the last chance. If anyone comes up to the next class and say कि मैम मेरा आई इंडिया पे बच गया था बोलना, then I believe कि you are living in some other universe and you have just woken up from a long sleep. बच्चे लॉगिन किया आपने? ओके, लीजिए. And next student. 1 minute. नेक्स्ट आपका जो भी स्टूडेंट्स ने दूसरे टॉपिक पे लिख रखा है स्पीच, वो प्रिपेयर रहेंगे. ओके, इसके बाद फिर आप लोग आएंगे. यस, कैमरा ऑन कर लो बच्चे, कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए.
First of all, good afternoon, respected teacher and my classmates. This is me, Vikas, student of first year. After a long time, I brought this opportunity to tell express my feelings, my thoughts, and my thinking about my India. Long ago, our Hindustan was known as Golden Bird. Some money-minded, abusive peoples, politicians sold that crown. They were and are people of Hindustan. Still, everything was going well, but not for a long time. A villager named Vasco da Gama attracted the way for colonizers. In a few decades, our country were gone under dark realm of slavery. They ruled on us with tyranny and looted all the precious goods, jewelries, and many other things by conspirated mind. Our freedom fighter who fought with them and gave us freedom from Britishers. British sucks us and lived an empty, poor, hungry, and one Hindustan to parted Hindustan. In this modern India, in this modern Hindustan, we are also suffering from dark realm of old criminal laws. In modern India, in this now India, nowadays, cause of old criminal laws, criminal not stopping to attempt crime. It's very hurt me. When in this new Hindustan, some abusive people misbehave and expected by bad intention, apply bad thinking on women without any fear. Good people watching, listening on newspaper, television, radio, live. If it's going neighborhood without bolding voice, they ignore without saying a single word. They continuously talking about job and obviously cause of the part of being youngster. I am doing the same thing too. But one thing I would like to say about myself whenever I seen in TV, radio, listen on radio about women harassment, I can't control my anger. In previous year, me and my friend tried to make an organization to solve this type of crime. All done, but the corona comes in meantime. We are not get succeed. I feel guilty till now. I sleep in with my opened eyes. I listen, but after that all, criminals never stopping their crimes. if it's corona or other dangerous pandemic. They never stop their work means crime. The people of Hindustan, while reading newspaper, what's going on? I haven't seen. Imagine this type of Hindustan politicians only wants vote give and we give us the vote, the precious vote without any demand, without any cost, with no cost. Cost means not money. Cost means demand for the law, demand for the changing in law about this type of crime. I would like to say is that examination or other job qualification is only for us, means students, not for the politicians who governing our country. It's very strange. No, we never do like this thing. We have a family, we have a people, what think about myself, what think we have a future, we have a family, we always thinking about this type of questions, and we are not doing the thing and changing and trying to change our India. One side, soldiers save us from outer enemies. Here we making our Hindustan hollow from inside. Yes, we just dreaming and thinking, not applying anything. By doing this, we are near to lost our beautiful Hindustan and our world. I would like to say some rap lines in Hindi, if you allow or not. सोने की चिड़िया, सोने की चिड़िया, सोने की चिड़िया था मेरा इंडिया, अपने ही लोगों ने इसे किया खोखला। अपने ही लोगों ने किया खोखला कर, अपने ही लोगों ने दिया दिन किया खोखला, बेचे अपने नाम कर, वैसे अपने नाम कर ढोंगी महलों में बदला, देश को गरीबी भुखमरी बदनामी के देश को गरीबी भुखमरी बदनामी के चादरों से सिला भर दिया मासूम बच्चियों महिलाओं के दर्द भरी आंसू को पुकार गुहार से आज के इतिहास को बिन दिया। अब बस बहुत किया तुझे छल्ली छल्ली इन उपद्रवियों ने मेरी जान हिंदुस्तान, बॉर्डर थे वो जवान, बॉर्डर थे ये जवान, करेगा तेरी रक्षा साथ मिलकर, हमारा तुझसे है जुबान, जितना मचाया फैलाया गंद उडंड उन गंदे लोगों ने किया तुझको परेशान, बिना किए दया देंगे करा से करा दंड, किए देर बिना विलंब कर देंगे सफाया, हम यंगस्टर का है तुझसे ये जुबान। पहले थे बच्चे नन्हे थे हमारे हाथ, अब हुए जवान आ गई हमारे हाथों में जान। सरजमी रोने ना देंगे तुझको दोबारा, हम जवानों का है तुझसे ये जुबान, मेरा पहला प्यार मेरी जान हिंदुस्तान, मेरा पहला प्यार मेरी आने वाले शान हिंदुस्तान, लौटाएगा मैं वापस, लौटाएगा मैं वापस, लाएगा तेरा खोया सम्मान, करता करता प्रेम बाबा तुझसे वादा, रोने ना देगा तुझको दोबारा मेरी जान, लगा जय हिंद का नारा करता है सलामासी को तेरा मेरा जान तेरे नाम। थैंक्स a lot, thanks।
मैम आवाज नहीं आती।
सेल्फ, ठीक है, आपको इनिशिएशन खुद लेना है, ठीक है। तो जो बच्चे ने पहले हाथ खड़ा किया था वो आ जाइए। वन मिनट, एंड आई एम अगेन टेलिंग यू, मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रही हूँ, जो भी स्टूडेंट ऑनलाइन ज्वाइन कर रहा है वो अपना रोल नंबर लिख के, नाम के डिस्प्ले नेम में अपना रोल नंबर जरूर लिखेगा, ठीक है। लॉगिन नहीं किया? नहीं। हाँ, क्या हो गया? माय सिस्टर, ओके, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं। आई हैव गिवन यू फुल फ्री कि आप जो भी लिख सकते हैं अपने इमेजिनेशन के थ्रू, वो लिख सकते हैं, बिल्कुल। She said. ऋतिक कुमार, राइट?
Hi guys. My topic, my sister is that. My sister born 13 अप्रैल 2001, dad 15 जुलाई 2021. Miss you, my sister. Miss sister, my sister. There is not a day that does not miss you. You there is no so moment when you do not miss. I miss those childhood things when I used to ride with you every day. Then we used to eat food together. You used to tell you us that fight with us more. We will not give you food. I used to say that you will give us food. I used to say that you used to go to your sister after eating food. Any used to have dinner with the younger brother. Miss you a lot. That moment when I used to bring your sweets to eat your miss me a lot. My sister when Durga Puja used to do Navratri in Puja, she used to give fruit for me. After worshipping, you used to give to us fruits when I came doing Camp Durga Puja is coming again. Who will give us fruits? Who will go for a walk together? Miss you so much, sister. On that hand to left and went away. I have and bad luck. I was not with you at the time because the and left on the same day, and auntie daughter was getting married. Everyone in the house in swinging in enjoy. I was setting setting in a carry the weight for on house to any other. So I gone away from the world. Miss you so much, my sister. I keep carrying every day, winning with you a lot. Past the time, see miss you, my sister, miss you, miss you, miss you. जो बोला मैं गलत नहीं बोल रहा, मैं अपनी बहन को बहुत याद करती हूँ। वो काश आज मेरे पास नहीं है। ऐसा कोई दिन नहीं हुआ क्योंकि मैं अपने बहन को याद नहीं करता हूँ। आज मैं यहाँ पर भी हूँ, फिर भी मैं उसे याद कर रही हूँ, कर रहा हूँ।
लोगों को समझ में आया जो उन्होंने
आधे लोग तो सुन नहीं रहे थे। How many people actually understood? क्या क्या बोला बताइए? सॉरी, 1 मिनट। बोलिए क्या बोल रहा था वो? ओके, students, am I audible? Online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट कौन जाएगा? What topic? इंग्लिश में है? सही। नहीं, he must have learned his lesson because that's important to learn the lesson. If you it's important. I cannot force you to speak on something. The thing is कि कुछ टॉपिक दिया गया है, ठीक है, उसका जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है।
A very charming morning to everyone. Myself Amit Kumar, and my topic is my developing dream towards lesson. Yesterday night, I saw a dream that I found myself as a chief of my panchayat as Mukhla Pradhan. I won the election by the blessing of the people of my panchayat. After winning the election, I started my work with loyalty and honestly. In my panchayat, I planted many shady and fruity trees aside the road. Along this, I provide some facilities like drains, electricity, fresh water, health, education, job, etc. to all the people of my panchayat. I arrange well systemized drainage system in the all village of my panchayat. I try to change the orthodox thinking of that parents who do not send their daughter in school because they think that girls take birth only for kitchen work. I understood them that if one boy get education, then only one home get educated. But if a girl get education, then at least two home get educated. Because of this, girls started school regularly. I start government school in proper manner. The children get education. I established a single public library and computer lab in every village of my panchayat to get technical education. Because of these steps of the work, my panchayat became happy and my panchayat was nominated as an ideal panchayat at national level. When I was prize president, then I woke up and realized that I was in a dream. I think that if every village of India develop in this way, then India will develop automatically. Because we know that India is a country of village. At last, I want to say, कोई कहता है हिंदू खतरे में है, कोई कहता है हिंदू खतरे में है, कोई कहता है मुस्लिम खतरे में। अगर धर्म का चश्मा हटा कर देखो तो यारो पता चलेगा हिंदुस्तान खतरे में।
इतना भी मोटिवेट मत करिए, कुछ अपने लिए भी बचा के रखिए। पूछना है? सब सपने में था। हाँ तो मेरा टॉपिक वही था कि यू हैव टू राइट समथिंग इमेजिनरी, तो उसने वही इमेजिनरी लिखा है। तो अप्रिशिएशन अच्छा है इफ यू आर अप्रिशिएटिंग समवन हु इज मेकिंग मेंस, ठीक है, अप्रिसिएशन अच्छा है, लेकिन कुछ अपने लिए भी बचा के रखिए। सारा अप्रिसिएशन आप दूसरों को ही दे देंगे तो फिर अपने ऊपर इफेक्ट नहीं डालेंगे। नेक्स्ट, यस, अच्छा, he has come to our class for first time, ऑफलाइन पहले करते थे, पहली बार आया है। अच्छा, he wants to say some few lines on India. मोबाइल दे दो बच्चे, मोबाइल इनका ले लो, मोबाइल दे दे इनको, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए, अब बोलिए। और कौन सा टॉपिक सबने लिखा है? जो टॉपिक मैंने बोला था इमेजिनरी।
Good morning, all of you, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to deliver a topic. The title of topic is India. India is my country. It is my motherland. It is the land of great men and women. It is the land of truth and peace. India is very big country. People of all castes live in this country. There are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Jains, and many others. They live like brother. I salute my motherland. Thank you.
भाई मतलब क्या इधर हो रहा है? तो इतना एनर्जी किस चीज के है तुम्हें? मतलब मुझे जहाँ तक पता है, you haven't had your lunch yet, right? तो ये एनर्जी कहाँ से आ रही है? अपना पूरा रिस्टोर खाली कर देना है आज। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट would like to go. जो इमेजिनरी टॉपिक पे मैंने बोला था, you have to imagine a situation and write a story about that. उसमें किसका किसका स्पीच प्रिपेयर्ड है? And by prepared I mean not just writing it down, you have practiced it. क्या आप लोग जैसे होगा raising their hand, प्रैक्टिस किया हुआ है? Sure? How sure are you? On scale 1 to 10, how sure are you that you will perform better than before? 5. कितना? 1 to 10 का जो स्केल है, उसमें आप कितना श्योर हैं कि आपका जो अगला स्पीच होगा, जो आपने अभी बोलना है, उसमें आप बेटर परफॉर्म करेंगे जो आपके पिछले स्पीच है उससे? डरा नहीं रहे, यू हैव टू मेंटर योरसेल्फ, ठीक है? आपको मैं तो जज कर ही रही हूँ, आपको खुद को भी जज करना है, आपको खुद को मेंटर करना है कि आपका इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है? जाओगे तो उसके बाद आप चले जाना, फिर उसके बाद आप चले जाना, ओके? It's okay, you can take this. क्या मेरा ही पीछे बैठ के आप लोग इतना प्रोत्साहन करते हैं दूसरों का, कभी खुद भी जाइए स्टेज पर। नेक्स्ट क्लास में।
Hello guys. Hello ma'am. Today I will telling you about a story that I imagined. It's a fictional story. So start.
कमेंट नहीं करिए।
One night I was sleeping. Suddenly my sleep was interrupted by some noises coming out from a corner of my room. I tried to look, but it was pitch dark. I couldn't see anything properly. I saw a shadow of a human-like object. I was scared for a moment. So I pulled my blanket back and I turned back and tried to sleep again. I wanted to think it was just a dream, so I ignored it. So I slept, but my hand was still hanging out of my bed. After some time, I don't know why I sense a warm feeling. Okay? It was like someone is holding my hand. It was like I was in a dream. It was so pleasant that I don't want to wake up. Okay.
But unfortunately, my dream was ended. But it was not just a dream. Okay? When I opened my eyes, someone was actually holding my hands. And yes, it was that shadow that I noticed previously. In a human like shape, in a human like shape, in a girl like shape, coming out of the shadow, coming out of the darkness. It was a girl with a sad and tense eyes, but she was smiling. She was looking at me. She was looking at me like I was the only hope for her. Okay. I could see her eyes filled with emotion, excitement, like she found something that she was searching for years. I was still trying to find that what is happening. I was totally shocked. Suddenly she spoke to me, come with me, help me, with a very low voice. She pressed my hand. I can't explain how hopeless she looked. I don't know. I said yes. She smiled with me tears. She smiled with tears in her eyes. Slowly, we both start to vanish from this world. After some time, after like an eternity ago, I opened my eyes. And I was in a completely different world. That's the end of the story. That's chapter. It's just chapter 1, so I will write it if possible.
Any constructive feedback from the audience? Acha, that if you're waiting for the next season, that means it was enjoyable for you. You were imagining whatever he was telling. कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ होगा. That is, sorry. वो बताएगा काम प्रोडक्शन में. But this is what I want from your speech. ठीक है कि आपकी जो ऑडियंस है वो satisfied रहे, वो imagine करे जो चीज आप imagine कर रहे थे खुद. ठीक है. Only then your speech, like you're not saying a speech or you're telling a story. ठीक है. And the story is projected in your mind. Right? वो जो story बोल रहा था, that was playing in your mind like a movie. That is then effective speech. Okay. अभी समझ में आ रहा है? कुछ इफेक्ट पता चल रहा है? दिमाग खुला थोड़ा. Very good. अच्छा मुझे ये बताइए कि there are a few people, ठीक है, even though their speeches are very good, there's a problem with grammatical writing. तो उसके लिए आप क्या करना चाहते हैं? Like I would be checking every speech before you go on the stage, or would I be like giving you some tips for grammatical error correction? देखिए चेक करने में प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जितना स्पीच बोलने में टाइम लगता है उससे ज्यादा मुझे चेक करने में टाइम लगता है. तो अगर आपको चेक करवाना है स्पीच के बाद बोलना है तो हाँ एग्जैक्टली नेक्स्ट डे बोलने के लिए इफ यू आर लाइक गिविंग मी स्पीच फॉर करेक्शंस, तो वो स्पीच तब ही होनी चाहिए दैट यू आर गोइंग टू स्पीक इट नेक्स्ट. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्लास में, because it will be taking like a lot of time if I'm doing it by and like by the time you are going to speak, class will be ending. ठीक है, तो आप करेक्शन कराने के लिए क्या करेंगे कि आप स्पीच पहले मुझे दिखा देंगे नेक्स्ट डे के लिए, पहले ही मुझे दिखा देंगे. ठीक है, ओके. Anyone else who would like to do the speech? Yes. फोन छोड़ दीजिए, उसका फोन वहीं पर है. Yes, be quiet.
Good morning, friends. I am Manish Kumar. I belong to Basodi. I am a student of BCI in Siemens College. Today I am here to give a speech on my favorite teachers.
The teachers.
Teacher.
More than one. और 1? एक ही टीचर है या एक से ज्यादा है? तो टीचर होगा ना,
Yes.
टीचर्स नहीं, टीचर.
My favorite teacher is Yogesh sir. He teach me physics, math, and many other subjects and general knowledge. He is very intelligent and his qualification is NITM. He taught me a lot how to talk to people in the world and learn to respect your elder. He taught me everything, good knowledge. As far as he taught for only, he stayed with us for 15 years. So I say one line. मेरे गुरु हमेशा कहते थे, बेटा ये जो दुनिया है, ये जो तुम्हारे रिश्तेदार हैं, ये जो तुम्हारे पड़ोस वाले हैं, ये तुम्हारी काबिल रास्ता देख रही है, ना कि तुम्हें हर फील्ड में कहीं सक्सेस हो, ये तुम्हें नहीं चाहती। ये बात को हमेशा ध्यान रखना। ये मेरे गुरु कहते थे। बट it is matter of very sadness that he is no more with us. They were like more my friends. It seems that a part of our body has been lost. His last class was 18th October 2020. His maybe be there only luckily for so many days. His last days was only till 24 October 2020, 3 p.m. in evening time. He was like a God to us. But he is our hearts. You are always in my hearts. May rest your soul. So I say one line in Hindi. हम लोगों के साथ रहने वाले ए मेरे दोस्त, हम लोगों के साथ रहने वाले ए मेरे दोस्त, आज हमें अकेले छोड़कर कहाँ चले गए। इस बेचारे को तो अपने साथ ले चलते जिसे आपने संभाला था। So thank you.
I have like one thing to say that you started writing very good, but still you don't have confidence enough to deliver this. Yeah. Emotional हो गए. Okay, that's fine, but still आपका जो emotions है, that should not discourage you from speaking. वो emotions को आपको express इस तरह करना है so that people know that you're emotional, but they don't know कि उनका जो आपको पूरा जो emotions है वो सारा नहीं बदलना है. There are not like everyone is not your close friend, right? आप कोई acquaintance हैं, आप उनके बारे में बता रहे हैं, that is very good, ठीक है? क्योंकि देखिए, this is the difference. Am I audible to all? Yes. So this is the difference. When you write something from your own heart, then your words come out as if they are flowing like water, right? वही चीज होती है, आपकी जो लिखी हुई चीज है, आपने जो लिखी है वो इतना अच्छा इसीलिए हो रहा है because you're writing from within yourself, ठीक है? आप अपने opinions जो है, आप जो फील करते हैं वो चीजें आप जब आप पेपर पे उतारेंगे तभी वो चीज अच्छी आती है, समझे? वो अच्छा इसीलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि आप अपने इमोशन जाहिर कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? बट नॉट एवरीवन इज एज एक्सेप्टेबल टू योर इमोशन, ठीक है? आपका जो आपने ट्रस्ट किया है अपने फ्रेंड्स पर या मेरे पर यहाँ पर अपना इमोशन जाहिर करने के लिए, दैट इज वेरी गुड, बट हर एक को बताने की जरूरत नहीं है दैट यू आर फीलिंग इमोशंस अबाउट, राइट? So try to control your emotions
एंड वेरी वेल रिटन। ठीक है, जो पिछला आपका स्पीच था उससे मैं बता रही हूँ कि बहुत बेटर है। ठीक है, क्योंकि लिखा वो भी अच्छा था बट वो